Hi everyone. Today we're going to attempt to draw the crown chakra. So attempt is the word here because as you can see I tried to draw it last night and it was so not accurate, and yeah, it's not very pretty, so I gave up at about 1 a.m. And I literally just recorded another tutorial, and yeah, my compass is just jumping around everywhere. It's not stable. I'm not happy with this. I also created too large of a circle to begin with, which meant that the large circles went past the page's edge. So yeah, we're going to start again, and please forgive me if this doesn't work out perfectly. I want to still try and teach you this because this is the 7th chakra and it's important, I think, to finish the series. It does make me question whether I should teach geometry or not, but you know what? It's the start of my journey and hopefully things will improve with time. So yeah, maybe you'll do a better job than me today. Good luck to you. Let's just do our best. So we're going to start by drawing a line through the center of our page. Place your point in the center and draw a wee circle. And then place your compass point at the bottom of the circle where it meets the line and draw another circle. And then from here we draw our triangle, connecting that top point to the left point, connecting those 2 points and connecting those 2 points. Next, place your compass point on the bottom left point of the triangle where it meets the circle's edges, and draw a wee mark there and also just there. And then place your compass point on that mark there and draw another wee arc, like so. Next, we're going to place our compass points back in the center of our page, so the top point of the bottom circle, and extend the compass until it touches the bottom edge. And draw a nice big circle. From here we're going to connect the point where those 2 arcs cross with the center point and draw a big line through the circle, the larger circle. Place our compass point on that point there and extend it until it touches that top edge. Now what we're going to do is place our compass point here and extend the compass a little further until it touches that line. And then we're going to draw a nice big circle. Hopefully it's going to fit within the page this time, or very close to. So once you've drawn that circle, you place your compass point there where the 2 circles intersect and draw another circle. Hooray! And we're going to repeat this all the way around the circle, creating 5 new circles. And now we're going to place our compass point right there where the line meets the center circle, the larger center circle. So we're constantly working around this circle, not that little one. So we just repeat the process, drawing 5 new circles, and every time the circle crosses that circle, that's where we put our compass point. I'm so thankful that it's fitting inside the page this time. So now watch closely for this next part. See how there's that mark that we've created there, and then there's that little triangle there. That's where we want to put a little mark. And then if we look at that top circle and we move around it until it touches that left edge of the triangle, that's our other mark. And do the same on this side. So look for the little triangle and then find the edge of the circle, the top circle where it meets triangle. There we go. So we want to create a wee line that connects those 2 points. And extends all the way through that center circle. See, ideally, we should have them parallel to each other, but it just doesn't happen for me. Let me know if yours is more accurate than mine is in the comments below. You know what I think I want to do instead? What I think may be a bit more accurate. This is just me testing things out. It's actually what I did before. Kind of an error, but kind of not. See how there's these 2 petals up the top and bottom? I reckon it would be more accurate if we connect those. Now don't quote me on this. You might want to try both options, but I just know it's a lot straighter, you see. But it may not be giving us the right points, so it's a gamble. Okay. I don't know. To me, it just feels like it's going to be a bit more accurate. I am no expert though, so I probably should be listening to the instructions, but okay, cool. So whatever lines you decide to go with, place your compass point where it meets the edge of the line and the circle, and draw another circle. And then we do exactly what we did before. We go around it 5 times. So just keep an eye on where it crosses that circle. And then you do the same from that point yeah, I really think that my little mistake before was actually the right thing to do. But you never know, maybe the first lines that you drew, maybe they're more accurate than mine. If that's the case, I definitely would, I'd suggest you go with those lines. Yeah, I'm sorry if this is like the most amateur tutorial you've ever watched. But I just really wanted to create something for you all, even if it's not perfect. I want to finish the series, and as I said, hopefully things will improve with time, but we all have to start somewhere, right? So yeah, we repeat this process from that point and that point. Now see these wee triangles up the top here? What we want to do is we want to connect that point to the center point of the circle. And we want to draw a little mark on that edge there. And do the same on this side. Just a little mark on that top edge of that center circle. Do the same from these 2 points. I'm feeling optimistic about this decision and this design, guys. I think we're on the right track. Thank goodness. So, place your compass point on one of the points and repeat the whole process. So we're drawing 20 circles to finish off. Alright, so that's it. It's not perfect, but hopefully it will look a bit better than the other drawing I drew last night. So all we really have to do now is first highlight the triangle and the circle. And then we just need to draw in all the petals. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, I hope it wasn't too painful for you. I hope you managed to create something that looks half decent. And yeah, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we will grow together with our geometry skills. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.